Hi, I'm Graham from Outback Armour. This is our PY Ranger fitted with our 3800 kilo GVM Upgrade kit. In the front of this vehicle we've gone with our GVM specific adjustable front struts paired with our Expedition HD coils to suit the bar and winch on the front of the vehicle. As another option you can also go with our DSV GVM specific front struts. As an optional extra on this vehicle we've gone with our Outback Armour fixed upper control arms. Because this vehicle has been moved to an MB1 category vehicle and the GVM exceeds 3,500 kilos, Cat 6 indicators must be fitted and are included in our kit. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we've got our 800 kilo constant load rear leaf spring, our standard adjustable rear shock, which you can also get in our GVM specific DSV range of shock absorbers. We have our U-bolt specific for our leaf spring. We've got our greasable front pin, our greasable rear shackle, our poly striker pad, our poly bushes. We also have our center bearing spacer kit. If the vehicle is fitted with a factory tub, to keep the reverse lights under the required 1200mm, you will require a reverse light relocation bracket. And that's the run through of the front and rear kit of our PY Ranger 3800 kilo GVM Upgrade kit. See you next time.